Hey guys, get rid Brian, and here's 3 different tools that every mechanic should own if you work on rusty cars. Now the first runner up is a broken bolt extractor from Grip Edge. Now with this set you're getting a variety of sizes from 1 all the way to 7, and you're getting left hand drill bits. Whereas your normal one only goes from 1 to 5. Now the huge difference between a regular extractor and a Grip Edge extractor is that regular extractors cause fastener expansions, which leads to thread binding. Where this actually prevents it, and this is actually going to grip a lot stronger than a normal extractor would. Not only will this grip a lot better, but this is actually made out of stronger material, so it won't snap like classic extractors always will, and you know that can be a headache. Now once you remove that broken bolt, let's say the broken bolt's really stuck to the extractor, all you do is get a wrench right here, and then you twist this off, and it essentially gets that broken bolt out of the extractor. And next on the list are some socket extractors. Now this is a typical extractor set you might see at your local auto parts store. It has some slight splines in the very middle to kind of help you grip a rounded off bolt. Now these can help you get by, but they're not the best extractor out here. And if you lived in the Rust Belt, that's really what you need. So this extractor set's from Grip Edge. You're getting sizes from 10 all the way to 19. And as you can see here, it's a lot more of a aggressive biting socket. So you tap this thing on and it's really biting onto that rounded off bolt. Now let's say you get that bolt stuck into your extractor. They give you this little bolt that you put on the back of this, and now all you're going to do is tighten this up, get a wrench on this end, get another wrench or socket on this end, tighten it, and essentially this is just going to press that broken bolt out of the extractor. Now Grip Edge may be a little bit expensive, but it's the best on the market. There's no brand that can compete with Grip Edge. And last but not least, I call these the Nano Torque sockets. Now these are really cool because you're getting sizes all the way from T8 to T60. And now this thing is stupid small. As you can see, this is a T40 and this is a regular T40. So you're going to be able to get into those very tight spots, but not only that, this is a Grip Edge socket. So it actually has some RPT technology to prevent any rounding, or if you do have a worn fastener, this is more likely to get it out than a regular Torx socket. And what's even better is if you need even more clearance, you could put this onto 11mm, and now you have a very super slim design and can get into those nice tight spots. They're literally 55% smaller than a regular Torx socket. And Grip Edge makes this in Torx as well as hex. So now you can really get into very tight spots without having to worry about stripping or rounding off a bolt. Links to all of these tools will be in my YouTube channel description. Hope it helped.